Hi guys, welcome back to the Flat Media channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this red moon effect. Make sure to watch the video until the end, to learn more about this effect. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. As well, go to Elements Envato and get a subscription. Also, get your Filmora 11 today. Now let's jump into the video. Firstly, drag the footages down here. Now go to Effects, and search for Remove Background Effect. Now make sure that the moons matches together. And make the opacity to 25. Now go on the footage where the moons matches together, and press right click, go to speed and press on Add Freeze Frame. Add 2 keyframes to disappear the moon, and other 2 when they match together to become red. Now put on the other moon 2 keyframes to disappear smoothly. To look more interesting, go to Effect, and put the color blur effect. Now go to Render Preview, and we have the effect we want. We're done guys, thank you for watching. Again, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. Also, get your Filmora 11 today and subscribe to Elements Envato if you want to become a pro editor.